Hello, everyone, and welcome to MINExpo 2024. Whether you are live or in person or online, we appreciate you guys watching this video and hearing what we have to say. My name is Gage Wandler. I'm the Digital Business Development Manager for L&H Industrial, and I'd like to express a new product line that we are putting out currently, which is monitoring and controls, and it's called Ops IQ. So L&H has 60 years of maintaining the world's largest machines. And we have solved some of the most complex problems with engineering, manufacturing, field service, and now monitoring and controls. We can now expand our solution. So we have an AI-powered monitoring device that provides real-time insights to prevent failures and reduce downtime. It works on both legacy and new equipment, helps identify trends, patterns, and failure points. So behind me, you can see our Ops IQ live demo on the east side of our booth. So we have a 3D printed crusher here. It's very hard to explain and talk about how monitoring and controls actually functions. Talk about the cloud and nobody really understands how it works. So in the booth, we have a live demo representation where you can push buttons, press things, move it in and out, and see online how it's actually affecting and how it's actually maintaining data, along with presenting faults. So we remotely monitor and control the demo unit and all other units in real time, our other assets. So the key features of Ops IQ is that it enhances legacy equipment. So whether your piece of equipment is 70, 80, 30, 20, 10, 5 years old, we can embed sensors into it and improve the functionality and improve the safety. Your dashboard and mobile app allows any user to be able to watch and follow faults in anywhere in the world. So whether your employees are sitting on a beach in Hawaii and you have some questions for them, or whether they're on site in a watchtower and you're trying to figure out what's going on, there's multiple people that could be looking at it at the same time. So currently we're monitoring vibration, flow, PSI, temperature, a bunch of other things. There's nothing in Ops IQ that we can't measure, so the only limitation is your imagination on as far as what you want to monitor and what you want to actually embed. So L&H is more of our Ops IQ is more of a customized, tailored solution. When you're talking about the monitoring and controls aspect, we also have an IO gate or an edge gateway that will send devices that is more of an out-of-the-box, here-you-go solution that immediately mounts, pulls in, bolts, IO sensor capabilities, and you can control and trigger faults directly from the cloud. So the operator is willing or able to set what is actually happening. So sensors can be embedded in hard-to-reach areas due to the fact that we are a manufacturing facility and have machining capabilities. So if there's any area in your plant that you are wanting to engineer and recreate and monitor deeper inside, L&H can partner with you to help build these. So in closing, if you guys want to come down, if you're in person and you want to come down to the show and talk with me and talk with the rest of our global team, we invite you and anybody online. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at lnh.net. We have a hospitality bar down here, so you can get some coffee and have some conversations. I appreciate it.